Greetings, Colin Curtis here at Williamson Wines. I have a great December recipe. It's pumpkin butterscotch custard pie. It is so yummy, and it's a great dish to bring to your Thanksgiving this year. Let's get into it. Let's crack some eggs. 2 eggs. Just whisk that a little bit until it's a little bit pale. Just do that so all the ingredients incorporate really nicely. We're gonna go with our sugar. Dissolve all that sugar. Okay, we're gonna go with a little bit of Tahitian vanilla bean. Okay, it's coming together nicely. All right, we have our butterscotch in the microwave softening for about 30 to 45 seconds. Let's go ahead and build. We got our evaporated milk. Whisk that in. Roasted butternut squash. This is exactly 1 butternut squash roasted. Let's get that whisked in. And then let's go with our Irby's pumpkin spice. This stuff is so great. I even put it in my coffees, especially this time of year. 1.5 teaspoons. Let's get that whisked. And good old mascarpone cheese. And as you can see, I have a blender next to me. What I like to do is just kind of incorporate all the ingredients and then run it through a blender so it's nice and creamy and smooth. All right, all of our big clumps are all broken up with the mascarpone cheese. Let's go ahead and grab our butterscotch chips. I'm gonna break everything up nicely and then straight in the blender. Start it off slow. Take a look at it. Oh, it smells so good. Okay, I'm just going to pulse it one more time and then we're good to go. Voila, let's get it into a pie shell and get this bad boy cooking. Pie shell. So behind me, I have a 450-degree oven. And what we're going to do is we're going to put this in for about 15 minutes under that heat. And then after the 15 minutes, we're going to shut it down to 350 degrees for 45 minutes. And it just really sets the pie nicely. And a little color on these is your friend. Color is flavor. All right, it's been 45 minutes. I could smell the cinnamon and the mace. It just smells amazing. Let's get it out of the oven and cut us a piece. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That looks absolutely gorgeous. Let's take it off. Amazing. It smells so aromatic and amazing. It smells like straight up November and December around here. My mouth is watering. I got my trusty bread knife. Let's go ahead and cut us some pieces out, starting from the middle in. Let's go ahead and put some whipped cream on it.